Hola, my name is Steph. I have lived and traveled full-time for the past 3 years in my 2015 Ford Transit campervan with my 3 pups and husband Alejandro. Come check it out. Here we have our kitchen area. We have a microwave that has come really handy to have, a gas stove, an open area to cook prep, a deep kitchen sink, and cabinets. In these cabinets we store our cooking and dinnerware, coffee, tea, and some snacks, condiments, sauces, and spices, among other things. You have probably seen this little fruit hammock everywhere. We honestly love it. We have a dorm fridge with a small freezer, and we have more kitchen storage. In these drawers we store our silverware and cooking tools, some toiletries and miscellaneous stuffs, and our garbage can and cleaning products. Right below our sink we have our 7-gallon gray water tank plus more food and stuff for the house. In front of the kitchen we have our closet. At the top we have our dirty clothes, Alejandro's clothes, and then mine. Right below we have our shoe storage. Behind that we have our electrical system. During the day we have the setup to work comfortably while also having the bed half made, sort of like a lounge area for us and the dogs. This is called the dinette bed conversion, and we love this setup for us. Monday through Friday we make the bed and it turns into almost a queen size bed. At the top of our bed area we have more cabinets to store more kitchenware, food, clothes, stuff for our dogs, and more gear. Below our bed/lounge area, we have more storage for water, propane tank, gear, and other tools. In this small area, we have our water heater, air heater, TV, fire alarm, and thermostat. We have a max air fan and Dometic air conditioner. This is our wet bathroom. We have 40 gallons water tank plus 2 gallons to flush our cat set toilet. We have a pocket door to keep the heat and cold from coming in the back and to have more privacy during the day and at nighttime. Sometimes it's a little funky. This is where our dogs sometimes hang when we leave the sliding door open so they can hang in their bed with a nice view. Here are some decorations and memories from our travels. And now I'm going to show you my backyard. We decided to do van life to be able to travel more and bring our dogs along the way. It's wonderful to be able to park in places like this and explore however we like responsibly without having to worry about catching a plane or which hotel to stay at night. When we met, we knew we wanted to live abroad and be nomads. My husband and I are from Columbia and Venezuela and lived in South Florida for more than 20 years, and we knew we didn't want to live there forever. We were looking for different types of landscapes, and living this way has brought us more life than we ever thought possible. We both travel and work full-time remotely, and after work, we usually go out and explore places like this that are otherworldly and makes us feel like we're in another planet. We seek experiences and create memories like this. We knew van life was the answer for us. It took us a year off and on to build our van and a lot of time and dedication and commitment. We sold our house in February 2020 and moved full-time and have found freedom through it all. We plan to drive our van all the way down from Alaska to Argentina. We already came down from Alaska recently, and now we are on our way to Mexico, where we will begin our journey south and hope to make it to Argentina by the end of 2024 or beginning of 2025. This has been the goal and the dream for a really long time, and we're so excited to make it happen for us. We hope to inspire others to take a leap of faith and follow their journey and serve their soul, whatever that may be, whatever that may lead to. It may be places like this or creative memories that would last a lifetime. And that's a wrap. I'll be going to bed now with my favorite multifunctional and sustainable voided blanket made from recycled plastic bottles and used as a pillow, cape, and blanket. The perfect blanket for this lifestyle. See you on the road.